So we're at Milltown now, Milltown LUAS stop. So this is open since June 30th, 2004. But right behind me is the location of the original station, opened in May 1860. May 1860. And a quiet station. Again, like Stillorgan, Carrickmines, reduced to halt status in the 50s. Really, after 1950, the Harcourt Street line was really a suburban line. It didn't have, I think there was a few trains going to Wexford, and you had specials, of course, seaside specials from Arklow, but mostly it was a quiet line, impacted by bus competition. So there would have been a signal cabin just there in 1923 when it was taken out of use, and there was a double-storey station building on this side. It's a Victorian letterbox here, and that's the original wall from the 1860 station. So let's head down here. Now, up to the clearance work started in the 2000s, there was actually, the platforms were still there, but I think it was about 1960 the station building was demolished, 60-61, and which is a shame really, but yeah, it's unusual that the other station buildings were kept and that one was demolished, albeit Fox Rock in 1991, which I visited that location yesterday. So we're heading down to the Nine Arches, which is by far the biggest engineering feat on the island, on the line. Magnificent stone viaduct. Up at clearance work started in, I think it was 2000, 2001. It was it's blocked off at either end, and I took a photograph in 1988 of the bridge from the other side where the housing estate is, and I took a photograph. There's the old chimney from the laundry. A magnificent job they did in this bridge. It's structurally in great condition. Now, see these holes that you have on Bryce Glen as well, so that's quite evident here. 1, 2, I didn't notice them before. So I think during the emergency years there was a plan. I don't know, I can't believe they wanted to blow it up, but I thought it was more to do with the old IRA during the Civil War, wanting to disconnect or blow up the viaduct and Bryce Glen. As I said before, they already did the Dublin Road Bridge. So let's cross over here. But I think maybe during the emergency years did, even though it was an active line, that's why I'm a bit confused. But right, back to this beautiful piece of engineering, Victorian engineering. So you can see the beautiful architecture there. It was quite a thrill when I was watching this being built, repurposed, and there were some photographs from that time I must take out from 2003. It was fantastic that a couple of years before that you didn't think it was going to happen. So, to say the least, it's a lot busier than it was during its railway days. So hopefully one day Bryce Glen will be like this. You'll have a frame as they have there, and the LUAS pylons over it, electrical conduits over it, and hopefully one day it'll be like this in Bryce Glen. Okay, thank you for watching and subscribing. I'm up to 683 now, so it's a good feeling. Thank you again.